So how to delete cache files? Click on the start menu, type here, comment what you can see, and hit enter. So here is a file, yeah, let's click on it and open it. Now you need to press Ctrl A to select all files or simply select them all. Now we need to simply delete all these files and confirm that. Okay, as you can see, all files are deleted, almost. Yeah, it may take some time. If you see such message, you should simply skip that or cancel, because these files might be still in use. This is why some files are not able to delete. Okay, so as you can see, everything is deleted. Now if we'll go to my computer, local disk C, Windows, temporary file. Now let's click on Ctrl A to select all files, and also let's delete them, so confirm. Also you may see such message that some files are in use, and this is why some files not able to delete. Okay, in this case we have deleted all temporary files. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe. Also don't forget to empty recycle bin. Okay, bye.